Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply an urgent e-visa to travel to Azerbaijan. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. So guys, more and more countries are migrating towards e-visas because they are very convenient to apply. And in most of the cases, you don't even need a stamp. You just take a printout, travel, and then once you reach their border, you can get the remaining processing done over there. So they offer two kinds of e-visa under this tourist stream: single entry, standard processing and urgent. Standard 3 business days, okay. Urgent 3 hours regardless of holiday and non-working. So that's like you need immediate visa. Of course, fees is gonna vary. So the very first thing, check if your country is eligible for an e-visa. So that you need to make sure here. FAQ you can go through because it will give you answers to a lot of questions like processing, status tracking, fee refund, group travel, and other things. So once you are sure with that, 3-step application, payment, download. Go for application, select your country. Okay. So let's say I select India, type of travel document, ordinary passport. It's gonna be single. I'm very bad in entering this code, guys. So when you enter, be careful. Continue. Oh, wrong digits. I knew something like that would happen. Okay. Now standard and urgent. First select the purpose. Okay. Now you can go for urgent. So this is gonna come within 3 hours, but yeah, with additional fee. Okay. So total $60. You gotta be agree for terms and condition. Now, frequently make mistakes and example of copy of travel document, like the things that you should be aware when you apply. And this information is very important, especially about group application and that conflicted region. I won't go into that because I don't want to. I have never gone into conflict from my channel, and I would keep it away. Surname, other name, date of birth, country of birth, place of birth, gender, occupation, phone number, mobile number, permanent address, yes, email, passport number, passport date, where you're gonna stay, copy of passport. This question is very important about that conflict because it's written that if it is found out that you illegally visited that region, you may not be allowed. Okay, so be careful in answering and never lie on your application. Be careful. Next, they will do email verification. Then you can check the data. And once everything is good, you can go ahead and make the payment. Payment amount we have seen already. And if it is granted, you are all good to go. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.